Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing the Adobe Firefly Styles feature, and the category that I'm taking a look at is the themes. And this is our friend Billy the Bull, and the first one is concept art. Number 2 is pixel art. Number 3 is 3D art. This looks crazy. I don't know what's going on here. He looks like he's testifying for being Billy the Bull. That's crazy. That one looks good. I really like the texture once again on this one. Number 4 is product photo. Number 5 is hyper realistic. This looks like a school photo. Number 6 is cartoon. Number 7 is stamp. Number 8 is vector look. Number 9 is low poly. Number 10 is digital art. Number 11 is graffiti. Number 12 is geometric. Number 13 is wireframe. Number 14 is flat colors. And number 15 is collage.